Ever cleaned your floors and thought, why does this feel like a workout? Dyson's latest stick vacuums are here to change that, with serious power, smart features, and tools that make cleaning easier. Let's start with the Dyson V16 Piston Animal Submarine Wet and Dry Stick Vacuum. This beast is powered by Dyson's new 900-watt motor, delivering up to 315 air watts of fade-free suction. The all-floor cone's Sense Cleaner head automatically detects your floor type and adapts. Strong on carpet, gentle on hard floors. It's engineered to remove and detangle pet hair up to 25 inches, so you're not constantly cutting it out of your brush. The Submarine 2.0 wet roller head tackles dirt, spills, and tough stains with more coverage and hydration modes. The Clean Compactor bin compresses dust to hold up to 30 days worth, then empties cleanly, with no mess or tangled hair left behind. You also get a scented blade of light to reveal hidden dust, instant access to built-in tools, and up to 70 minutes of runtime. Plus, it's all tracked and personalized through the My Dyson app. Prefer dry cleaning only? The Dyson V16 Piston Animal Stick Vacuum gives you all the same power and features, just without the Submarine Wet Roller. Looking for something lighter? The Dyson V9 Submarine Wet and Dry Stick Vacuum balances power and weight beautifully. Its hyperdymium motor spins at 120,000 revolutions per minute, and the Submarine Wet Roller head washes spills and stains from hard floors, collecting debris in a waste tray for easy disposal. No streaks, no smears, just a clean finish. You also get Dyson's Motor Bar Cleaner head, 5-stage filtration, and 11 cyclones to maintain suction. The LCD screen gives real-time feedback, and the whole system is engineered to reduce noise when you clean. And finally, the Dyson V8 Cyclone Stick Vacuum. It's lightweight, versatile, and delivers 30% more fade-free suction than before. With 15 cyclones, a 7-cell lithium-ion battery, and triggerless power with 3 adjustable modes, it's built for everyday use. It transforms into a handheld, reaches tight spaces with the crevice tool, and hygienically empties with Dyson's point-and-shoot mechanism. Whether it's pet hair, spills, or deep dust, Dyson stick vacuums are built to handle it all. Explore the full range now at JB Hi-Fi.